Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. See, this is 12th standard complex number state board. Second sum, see the second sum. If z equal to x plus iy, find the following in Cartesian form. What is Cartesian form? Before we discussed already the Cartesian form. See, x comma y form is nothing but a Cartesian form. First sum, real part of 1 by z. You can write, let z equal to x plus iy. Let z equal to x plus iy. See what is 1 by z. 1 by z equal to 1 by x plus iy. 1 by x plus iy. You take the complex conjugate. Complex conjugate into x minus iy by x minus iy. So what is the value? X minus iy by a square plus b square. That is a plus ib into a minus ib equal to a square plus b square. The same way x square plus y square. So what is the answer? X minus, it gives x minus iy by x square plus y square. You segregate the term real part separately and imaginary part separately. This is real part and this is imaginary part. So what is the answer you want? Real part of 1 by z. Real part of 1 by z, you can take the real value alone. You can take the real value alone. You don't take the imaginary value. So you will write real part of 1 by z is x by x square plus y square. Now you move on to the second subdivision. What is the second subdivision? Real part of I z bar. Real part of I z bar. You know very well z equal to x plus iy. X plus iy. Z bar equal to x minus iy. Z equal to x plus iy. Z bar equal to x minus iy. I z bar equal to I into x minus iy. So it gives ix minus I square y. You multiply I inside. See, you multiplied I inside. Ix minus I square y. So ix minus, what is the value of I square? Minus 1. So minus into minus become plus y. Is it clear? What is the value of I square value? I square equal to minus 1. Okay. So minus into minus becomes plus. So what is the value of I z bar? I z bar equal to y plus ix. First you write the real part. Next you will write the imaginary part always. So what is they are asking about the real value of real part of I z bar equal to you can take only the real value, that is y. You don't take the imaginary value, you can take only the real value. Okay. See here. You move on to the third subdivision. What is the third subdivision? In this sum, we are asking about the imaginary part. See how we can see the imaginary values in this sum. Imaginary part of 3z plus 4z bar minus 4i minus 4i. So you know very well, let z equal to x plus iy and z bar equal to x minus iy. So you can substitute the value first of all. 3z plus 4z bar minus 4i equal to 3 into z is x plus iy plus 4 into z bar is x minus iy minus 4i minus 4i. So first you can multiply the 3 number inside. What is the value you are getting? 3 into x, 3x plus 3iy, 4 into x, 4x minus 4iy minus 4i. So you kept the real values 3x and 4x. 3x plus 4x is what is the value? 7x. 3x plus 4x equal to 7x. 3i. 3i here minus 4iy. So what is the value? Minus iy. Minus iy minus 4i. You separate real value minus I. You can take it out. What is the value for this? Y plus 4. What is the value for this? Y plus 4. They are asking about the imaginary part of. They are asking about the imaginary part of. Imaginary part of 3z plus 4z bar minus 4i. It gives imaginary value alone. You can take minus of y plus 4 or minus y minus 4. You move on to the third sum. What is the third sum? If if z1 equal to 2 minus I, z2 equal to minus 4 plus 3i, z2 equal to minus 4 plus 3i, find the inverse of, find the inverse of, find the inverse of z1 into z2, find the inverse of z1 into z2 and z1 by z2, z1 by z2. First you will multiply z1 into z2. Inverse means you know very well, it is a 1 by division. z1 into z2 means first you will multiply z1 into z2, then you will move on to z1 to z2 the whole inverse. z1 is 2 minus I, z2 is minus 4 plus 3i. You multiply inside. See, you multiplied inside minus 8 plus 6i, then plus 4i, because you multiply plus 4i plus 4i minus minus 3i square, minus 3i square. See what is the value you are getting now? So it gives minus 8 plus 10i minus 3 into minus 1, because I square value is minus 1. So minus 8 plus 10i plus 3. So minus 5 plus 10i. Whenever real part comes minus, you can take it minus out. So it gives 5 minus 10i if you are doing inverse. Okay. See, now we move on to the inverse. z1 into z2. z1 into z2 the whole inverse. It's nothing but what? 1 by z1 into z2. It gives 1 by 1 by gives 1 by minus of, it gives minus of 5 minus, minus of 5 minus minus 1 by 1 by minus of minus of 5 minus minus of 5 minus
10i. 5 minus 10i. So you can take it into minus 1 by 5 minus 10i minus 1 by 5 minus 10i. It is easy to take the conjugate. If the real part is minus, you would write minus 5 minus minus 5 minus 10i. It is tough for you. So you can take it minus out first of all. It is easy for you. So now you are going to write 5 plus 10i by 5 plus 10i. 5 plus 10i by 5 plus 10i minus of 5 plus 10i by a minus b into a plus a minus ib into a plus ib is nothing but what? A square plus b square. A minus ib into a plus ib equal to a square plus b square. So what is the answer you are getting now? It gives minus of 5 plus 10i by 25 plus 100 minus 5, you can take it as commonly out, 1 plus 2i by 125, cancel the term 25. What is the answer for this? Inverse of z1 in z2 equal to minus of 1 plus 2i by 25 by 25. Now you move on to the next sum. What is the next one? Is inverse of z1 by z2. That is inverse of z1 by z2. Inverse of z1 by z2. So straight away, that is what is the meaning for this 1 by z1 by z2. So you reciprocal the term. Finally, you got the answer z2 by z1. So it is enough to substitute z2 by z1. Now you will substitute z2 by z1 is nothing but the inverse of z1 by z2. z2 by z1. What is z2 value? z2 is minus 4 plus 3i. Minus 4 plus 3i by z1 value is 2 minus I. Now you can take it as the complex conjugate 2 plus I by 2 plus I. Now you can take it as the complex conjugate 2 plus I by 2 plus I. It gives minus 4 plus 3I minus 4 plus 3I into 2 plus I by a minus ib into a plus ib equal to a square plus b square. It's a complex multiplication. So I square value become minus 1. So a square plus b square. Now you are going to multiply. See here, minus 4 into 1 plus 3i into. What is the value you are getting now? Minus 8 minus 4i plus 6i plus 3i square whole divided by 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So it gives the answer minus 8 plus 2i minus 8 plus 2i minus 3 because I square value is minus 1 by 5. What is the answer for this? Minus 11 plus 2i minus 11 plus 2i by 5. Is it clear for you? Minus 11 plus 2i by 5. Now you move on to the fourth sum. What is the fourth sum here? See the fourth sum. The complex number u comma v comma w are related by 1 by u. The complex number u comma v comma w are related by
1 by u equal to 1 by v plus 1 by w. What is the v value they have given? 3 minus 4i. What is the w value they have given? 4 plus 3i. 4 plus 3i. Then you write find u in Cartesian form. Find u in Cartesian form. Find u in Cartesian form. What is that Cartesian form? What is that Cartesian form? That is x plus iy form. Okay, x comma y form. See here 1 by u equal to 1 by u equal to 1 by v. 1 by u equal to 1 by v plus 1 by w plus 1 by w. 1 by v plus 1 by w. 1 by 3 minus 4i. 3 minus 4i plus 1 by w. 1 by 4 plus 3i. 1 by 4 plus 3i. Now you will do the cross multiplication. What is the answer you are getting now? 4 plus 3i plus 3 minus 4i by 4 plus 3i plus 3 minus 4i into 3 minus 4i into 4 plus 3i. 4 plus 3i. So what is the answer for this? See here. See 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. 3i minus 4i is 3i. 3i minus 4i is minus I. Minus I. Then you multiply here. 3 fours are 12 plus 9i. You multiply 3 into then minus 4i into 3 fours are 12 plus 9i minus 16i minus 16i minus 16i minus 12i square minus 12i square. What is the value? It gives 7 minus I by 7 minus I by 12. 9 minus 16 minus 7i minus 12i square value equal to minus 1. Minus into minus become plus 12. So what is the final value we are getting here? See, it gives 7 minus I. That is 1 by u equal to 1 by u equal to 7 minus I by 24 minus 7i. 7 minus I by 24 minus 7i. Next, what is the value of u? Reciprocal the term u equal to 24 minus 7i by 7 minus I. 24 minus 7i by 7 minus I. They are asking about find u in Cartesian form. U in Cartesian form means because the denominator it is not in a imaginary value. So again you will multiply 7 plus iy 7 plus I by 7 plus I because denominator it is in a form of imaginary value. They are asking about a Cartesian form is x plus iy separately, real value separate and imaginary value separate. So again you can take it as a complex conjugate. So what is the answer? 24 minus 7i into 7 plus I by the same thing a minus ib into a plus ib is 7 square plus 1 square. 7 square plus 1 square. So it gives the value you can multiply 24. 24 into, see here, 24 into in this term and minus 7i in this term. So what is the answer you are getting now? 24 into 7 is nothing but 168. 24 into 7, 168 plus 24i minus 49i, 24i minus 49i, next minus 7i square, minus 7i square by whole divided by 49 plus 1. 49 plus 1. See here it gives 168. 24i minus 49i is nothing but what? Minus 25i. Minus 25i plus 7, because I square value equal to minus 1. Minus 7 into minus 1 become 7 by 50. So it gives the answer 168 plus 7 is nothing but what? 175 minus 25i by 50. So if it is commonly, you can take it as, see, 25 shall I take it as commonly out. What is the value I am getting here? 25 I can take it out. What is the value I am getting here? 7 minus I by 50. So 25 ones are, 25 twos are. See here, what is the final thing? U equal to 7 minus I by 2. You separate x plus I by form 7 by 2 minus I by 2. Separate 7 by 2 minus I by 2. This is the Cartesian form of, this is a Cartesian form of U. Cartesian form of U. Thank you, children.